All right, welcome to the Crypto Boss Changer family. Let's look at Bitcoin. It's doing pretty damn good today, right? And I kind of called this on my live stream. Let me just show you. Let's rewind. Okay, so I hopefully you guys could hear what I'm saying, but I was saying this was a cup and handle. Measure move was 27.2. Obviously, went way above that. Now we're at 28.4. And I am in a long trade on Bitcoin. Which should show up, but I guess it doesn't want to. So I'm gonna have to log in again. But I'm in a long trade. It's up about 15x, something like that. My $50 account, I didn't put my entire account in it, is now worth about 200. So it's a pretty good day for me. I'm pretty happy. I didn't expect it to go up this fast, but it's only up, I guess, 5% in the last 24 hours. So where are we going next? At some point, we got to cool off. Let's just look on the daily chart and go from there. So the daily chart is coming up on resistance at 28,850. Which we're a ways away from. So daily RSI needs to reset. The 4-hour chart RSI needs to reset. On the Equality Cloud, it's still bullish. As long as you stay above 26.6, that was my entry. My stop right now is at 27.7, I believe. The 1-hour chart definitely needs to reset. And the 15 has already made a higher low. So this is when you gotta look at the smaller time frames. The 15-minute chart would suggest you can get another move to the upside based off of the stock RSI. And I'm looking for another move to the upside. This is getting to be a dangerous play though, and this is a place I would probably not go long, even though the stock RSI is low. And if you do go long, use proper risk management. Just like if you were to flip this chart upside down, that is a falling wedge. This is a rising wedge. These do break down 68% of the time, but when they break up parabolically. So I'd be very cautious about this. It looks like it's going to break out based on the stock RSI, but it could definitely dump on you. So um, at some point, we're getting a little bit too euphoric. But your measure move. Hold on. I'm trying to deal with this. Your measure move, you would really come down to this last wick low. I don't usually chart rising wedges, so bear with me, okay? Here's your measure move. That would be parabolic. That'd be another parabolic move up to 29 to almost $30,000 resistance. And if you just take the smaller measure move of this right here, your measure move is still, if it wants to work with me, your measure move is still over just around 29,000. So to me right now, the next stop is 29,000, and then this bigger measure move could take you to 30K out of this rising wedge if it breaks to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for right now. Possible move to 29 and then 30,000. You have some resistance at 29.5, so be wary of that. I could see 30,000 happening sooner than later on Bitcoin. Not saying it's going to happen in this rally, but the 15-minute chart would suggest it can. Now I want to go to the really small time frame. 7 minutes suggesting it can. 5 minutes confirming it can go up. Based on how these smaller stock RSIs is looking, I'm still bullish. I'm still on my long trade. 1 minute is overbought, making a lower high, but again, the 5 minute still looks juicy to me. So we'll see what happens. You had a wick high up to 28.5 basically. So I entered 2 days ago at 26.6. I'm pretty happy about that entry. We'll see what happens. But my measure move is $29,000. That's where we're going to put the measure move right now for this next move up. We'll see if I'm right. Come back tomorrow. If you listen to what I said the other day, though, or join the Telegram group, you would know that I did call this a move to the upside. And I would still be looking. It's more likely you break to the downside, but if it does want to break to the upside, I would be looking for 30,000. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got. Guys, enjoyed this video. Appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends so they can always stay up to date on Bitcoin. And like I said, I'll see you guys in the next live stream Saturday at 3 p.m. Central Time.